Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can appear anonymous in your documents on Google Docs, for example, to share it with one of your contacts and still keep your document private and appear anonymous to any user who opens and edits your document. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. It is actually super simple, guys. You will need to click on share here in the top right and select skip here. After that, select or change from restricted to anyone with the link here where it says general access, and here to the right change the role or the permission from viewer to editor, and after that select copy link here, confirm by clicking on done. So now we, for example, access that document via the incognito mode here in Google Chrome. Let me do that really quickly. You will see yourself being logged into your Google account and accessing your document. And if you head back to your original document here, for example, you would like to share with your contacts so that they may edit it, you will see that badge or label here, Anonymous Chinchilla, which means that you will appear anonymous here. For example, if you hover your mouse over the last change here in your text or document. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.